Hey guys, hey Elliott family of 7 and all y'all. What's up? How you doing? I hope you're doing great today. Today we are doing part 2 of the Who Can Do Cash's Hair Better challenge. Challenges between A-Train and I. Here's Cash's hair. Say what's up to the vlog, Cash.
What's up, Elliott fam?
Go ahead and turn around. Let's show them what you're working with. Let's show them. Show him the hair. You know, he just got out the shower. His hair is ready to be combed. Now, this is what we're working with, y'all. We got some of this going on. Kind of like a little dreadish looking tangle. You know, that got to be worked out for sure. See that tangle? We're going to get through this. Look at that. So first step, since he just got out the shower, his hair's a little bit moist, but I'm going to use a little bit more water. Sorry about the water noise, y'all. It's a little bit too loud. But I need to get this a little bit moist hair. Get it a little bit wet. It's starting to dry up.
Yeah, because we know that it looks small this place because we're already out.
All right, and I like to use this. We've tried plenty of products. This Suave. Let's see, this is avocado and olive oil. It works wonders. Okay, so we're going to put some on. Y'all, I ain't no beautician, hairstylist, none of that, but this is how I do it, okay? I leave it in, okay? It locks in, moisturizer, it's perfect, it smells good. I like to just leave just a little bit, okay? A little bit in there. I also like to use this Not Out conditioner. This is Dark and Lovely, natural, anti-shrinkage, okay? And I just work it through, trying to get, edges into there. Right where he has some tangles at. I'm trying to work it in. Okay? A little bit more water. Yep. Right. These number brushes. I like to use this kind of comb. We have this, the tangler type of brush, and then this kind of brush. And I also brought scrunchie, and some clips, just in case I need a party hair. Alright, let's start out with hair. So I like to start out by parting his hair. I mean, I know y'all seen A-Train's video on how he does it. You're gonna see him do things a little bit differently around this tip, okay? I'm gonna put this section up, so I got it parted good. I just like to tie it off, get it out the way. Okay, I'm just gonna start combing this side. Sometimes I part it in like fourths as I go. So right by his ear, I'll part it right there. You know, nothing fancy, I'm just combing it out. So my line's not really gotta be all that. This is simply just to comb it out. Right now, see y'all, it's not right here. I'm gonna try to work through that. Cash, make sure it's here. Right. Okay, now see, now this is going through pretty good because of that combination of the conditioner and that Side one.
Iron Man, and I'm angry because it do my hair.
Comb this part back.
Mommy, I can't leave the
Come over here. I'm going to be using some Moouse. I like this. It just seems to work very well with our hair type. That's actually the type of mousse I use for my hair. Again, I tried all kinds of products, but Suave, something about it. It just got our back. It makes our hair work. So let's see what it does.
Let's see. My hair looks like soap.
It looks like soap. That's that mousse.
It looks like soap, like the white soap.
And I like to use a good amount, y'all.
Oh!
Catch. That's yelling in their ear.
I'm not. Looks like
Turn this way, please. Turn. Thank you. they can see. On this way. Now just kind of scrunch and go. Scrunch and go. Work the mousse in. Scrunch and go. A little bit more.
That's like 500 handfuls. I have been like the longest in the world.
Scrunch and go. The last thing I'm gonna do,
Get some
a little bit of the extreme gel. Just a little bit.
Look at him, it's not extreme. Yeah, I know it's not extreme.
And this, I just like to put like right here on his edges. Just the top of the hair, and then just kind of work it down. But majority is right here, so it doesn't get all frizzy, puffy. I just like to put just got done blow drying his hair.
It was actually a lot different when they vlog it, right, Mom?
I didn't like make it completely dry. I don't really want it to all dry out. Give him a turn. This is how, come on. This is so nice. How his hair turned out. Now he has like a couple strands right here that are a little bit curly. Top it off. Just take a little bit and where I see fit. Just go ahead and a little bit more loose in his hair. Tighten up them curls. Overall, this is gonna be his finished look. What you guys think? You like it, Cash? You stand right here.
I like it.
Okay, go ahead and give him a turn. Look at the curls in his hair. Go ahead and turn. Turn again. Okay, so that is Cash's hair challenge. Who did it better? Comment down below if it's Team Buddy. Okay, now I showed y'all combing his hair out, moisturizing his hair, putting product in his hair, blowing his hair with a hair dryer. You know what I'm saying? And that's his finished look. The nice curly Cash's hair.